Hello students. So today's point of discussion is analytical tests for acetone. Now acetone is very first member of the ketone family. It is a carbonyl compound. In fact, it is a simple ketone, remember. Now if anybody provides you a sample and it doubts that the sample could be of acetone, then how would you recognize the given sample? So let's see few analytical tests for acetone. So very first and famous test for acetone is the Legal's test. Now Legal's test is a test to recognize acetone or test to detect acetone from a sample, if any. Then what we need to do in Legal's test? We need to take acetone as a sample, and right now suppose we are not known, and we mean that we are unknown about the given sample. Now if the given sample is of acetone, then how would you test this? So take the sample of acetone and add few drops of sodium nitroprusside to it and NaOH. I mean acetone is taken and to that few drops of sodium nitroprusside and NaOH is to be added. So by adding this, after some time wine color get appeared, wine red color get appeared, which upon standing turns yellow. So this confirms that the sample is of acetone. So what we need to do right here, take acetone and to this few drops of sodium nitroprusside and NaOH is to be added. So after some times when we do this, wine color get appeared, and this upon standing, this changes to yellow. So this confirms that the sample is of acetone. So this is the Legal's test. Now second very important test to be discussed is the indigo test. Indigo test is also a test to detect acetone. So what we need to do right here, we need to take 2 ml of acetone and to that orthonitrophenoldiol is added. Now that mixture is to be diluted by using KOH, I mean potassium hydroxide. So on diluting the mixture of 2 ml of acetone and orthonitrophenoldiol with KOH, we may get the blue color of indigotine. So formation of blue colored indigotine indicates that the sample is of acetone. So what we need to do? We need to take 2 ml of acetone and to this we need to add orthonitrophenoldiol. Now this mixture is to be diluted. By using KOH solution. So on doing this, we get blue color of indigotine, and blue color of indigotine if forms that confirms the sample is of acetone. Now third and very important test is iodoform test. Remember, iodoform test is a confirmative test for all methyl ketones, not only for acetone, but also all methyl ketones show positive iodoform test. Now what we need to do right here, take sample of acetone and treat that sample with mixture of NaOH and I2. So by treating sample of acetone with NaOH and I2, yellow needle shaped crystalline solid appeared on the product side, and that is nothing but iodoform. So formation of iodoform can be seen by naked eye as it is yellow needle shaped crystalline solid, and if iodoform obtained, then that confirms that the sample is of methyl ketone, and right now we are dealing with acetone. Remember, acetone is a methyl ketone as well. So what we need to do, we need to take acetone, and to this we need to add NaOH and I2. When we heat acetone with sodium hydroxide and iodine, then iodoform, that is CHI3, is obtained, which happens to be yellow needle shaped crystalline solid, yellow needle shaped crystalline solid. So if iodoform appears on product side, that confirms the sample is of acetone. So these are very important analytical tests for acetone. Thank you very much.